Welcome to another video in RoboTalker's how-to tutorial series. Let's learn how to view job statistics regarding call and text history. The pie charts and graphs display all call and text history over a certain period of time. Simply choose a start date, an end date, choose outbound calls or texts or inbound calls or texts and simply click Display History. As you can see, all data with regard to call and text will then be generated above for the period chosen. A summary of calls and texts will be sent out for each calendar day over the period. This is drawn up to the right-hand side of the screen. To the left, we see the pie charts allocated for calls and text history. Click the arrow button to download, save, add any notes, or print. Stats can also be exported here. Down below, we can view a more detailed history regarding calls and texts. And that's how to navigate and view job statistics for calls and text. Thank you for watching. For any questions, reach out via the phone number on robotalker.com. We're here to help you succeed.